Hi, in this video we're just going to talk about what we need to do to get you first started on the app. There's a couple of things just to take you through and really just make sure you get the benefit of it. One of the first things you'll come across is the login screen. Now this is a bit of a confusion for a number of people, and to be honest we're going to change the way it appears when you first get it. The reason most people don't know their password to log in is because they've most likely never logged in before. If you look down underneath the two fields, there's actually a register button. And what this does is registers you with the server to make sure that all the pupil data that syncs with the server is held securely and it's linked to your details, which is a requirement under the new data protection requirements that are coming out in the middle of 2018. Next thing to mention is that from the next software release, instead of doing the voluntary subscription that we're doing at the moment, what we're going to do is we're going to make the app a subscription app, so that we've got enough money coming in to keep it working for iOS 12, 13 the year after, and so on, and also get some of the bugs fixed and get some of the new features that people have been asking for. Unless we've got some kind of stream of income, then we're just not going to be able to do that, and we'll find ourselves in the situation that we were in the second half of last year. So what we're going to do is all the people that are subscribed now using the voluntary system, they will get the new subscription at half price. If anybody comes onto the app brand new, then they'll be paying the full price, which will be $9.99 a month. So everybody that's been paying on the voluntary system at the moment will get that for half price. They'll get it for $4.99 for a month. If you decide that you don't want to subscribe and you're not going to want to pay for it at all going forward, then just make sure that you don't go to the next upgrade. Now the only way you can do that is to switch off automatic upgrades on your iPad, and then just make sure that you don't tap on the update button when our next versions come out. So as long as you've not done the update, you won't be required to pay a subscription. So first of all, make sure you've logged into that login page. Secondly, make sure you've added your email address. That allows the app to copy you in on any information that you send out to your pupils. And also underneath, make sure you've tapped that button that says about keeping up to date, because otherwise we've got no idea who you are and we can't let you know about any changes and things that are going on. If you tap that button, you'll get an email to your account. By confirming back on that email, now we can get in touch with you and we can let you know what's going on. Next thing to make sure you've done is you've set up the syllabus and the lessons so that it runs automatically. So there's a separate video. We're going to put notes in the text below the video here. But there's a separate video that goes into this in a bit more detail. You can either have the default syllabus that we've already created for you in the app. You can modify it with your own information, which is what a lot of people will do, to really customize it so it fits their logo, their look and feel of their driving school, their branding and so on. Or if you're doing something completely different, you can just create a brand new syllabus from scratch. And there's separate videos that go through that in much more detail. What you find is if you're not using that syllabus, you're possibly not getting the benefit of the app, because a lot of the stuff won't be running for you automatically. Once that syllabus is set up and you're using it in your lessons, you'll find that the PassWrite will now work for you automatically as well. And PassWrite is designed to run from what you already do in just recording the lessons. There's nothing else that you need to do to get the PassWrite to work for your pupils. Another thing to do is have a quick look at the video that talks about terms and conditions. Have a look at the terms and conditions that we've built into the app. You can modify those if you want to. So if you've got a set of your own terms and conditions, just copy and paste that in, and then again the app reflects what you do with your driving school. So there's links underneath this video to some of the other videos to go to. There's also a link to our support pages. If you've got any questions, you can go to instructorsoftware.com, go to the support pages. There's a number of frequently asked questions, and we're also going to be posting a lot of the tutorial videos there. Obviously, the rest of them you can get via our YouTube site. But so if you go to instructorsoftware.com, go to the support pages, there's also contact us details if you need to. Remember also, when you're using the app, as you're navigating your way around, up in the top right hand corner, there's also a help button, and if you tap on that, that will guide you through the app based on where you are at the moment. So as you're working your way through, if there's anything you get stuck with, that's obviously a really good place to start. If there's anything you're not sure about, if we haven't got training video for it, we can get one made up. The idea is to have a complete suite that goes right the way through, so that you go from complete beginner to real professional user. Let us know how you get on, and we'll see you in the next video.